get ready with me to go on some errand. We're gonna put on a quick outfit, going to Superdose market and going for a quick Saturday walk. So let's see what we're going to wear. We're going to wear these joggers. Yeah, they're from Pretty Little Thing. Yeah, bodysuit. It's showing, I don't know why it's showing the color kind of red, but it's really black. Yeah, and it has this Pretty Little Thing on it. It's a bodysuit with a snap. Yeah, long sleeve, really thin. It's t-shirt material, really thin and see-through. Yes, that's what I'm gonna wear with that. Beautiful bomber jacket, really nice, that I got from H&M. Yeah, really nice. And I am going to get on this pink hat on it. And yes, so let's get dressed. Yeah, on black. And yep, it's a baggy one. It's 2 pockets, and I like it. Has the pretty little thing there, and it has pretty little thing there. Yep. Nothing special, just this. And now I am going to put on my sneakers. I'll show you. I'm going to wear these pink sneakers from Steve Madden. Yeah, so let's put that on. Okay, sneakers are on. I got these two. They come in 2 sets. Yeah, they're from Shein. Yeah, I want to wear them today. So the goes on like that. Yeah, I'm gonna wear this earring. Yes, earring is done. Yep. So let's take care of this hair, guys. Look at how I wrapped my hair. This is so crazy, man. Look at, oh, that was, oh. Okay, this. I just get one of my tight, and then yeah, to keep your braids nice. So I'm going to take that off. Yeah. Oh. Yes, and then the next one is just like that. The braids are still braiding, like really nice. I'm gonna put some oil on my scalp. So that's my oil. I'm going to oil my scalp. These bottles from Amazon, yeah. Ooh. Yes. Ooh, it feels so nice when you put the oil on your scalp. I always like it. Once my head start itchy, I just got some oil on it there, and then that's fine. Massage it really well in there. This is how your girl is looking. Yes, just very quick hair on. Plus, the sun is, yeah, the sun can fool you. And yes, this is how I am looking so far. Yes. Yeah. And now I'm going to wear this bag. The last time I wore this bag, a lot of attention about this bag. The girls were screaming like, link us up. A girl is Shein. Shein under $20. The bag is fire. It's the inspired one from a Louis Vuitton. No, look at the ad wire. Yeah, the bag is swoosh. I like it. So in here, I always put my AirPods when I'm going out. Like today, the bag is fire. Now I'm going to find glasses to wear, and then get my watch and rings. Okay, my obsession is this. It's my obsession, both of them. They smell like candy. You want to eat your lips. Like, this is my obsession. Like, it's just, yeah. And then it stay a while, and then it start to have like a little burning sensation. This is my obsession. I really love it. And then I'll go on with this one. Ooh, cha. It's delicious. It smells divine. Yeah. So both of them are my obsession. And I have my ring. That's from Shein. And yes, these two are from Shein. You want to tell me what these are inspired by? I leave it with you to guess what these are inspired by. Did you see the Shein diamonds? Bougie on a budget. Now you can see it takes few stuff. Don't mess with this bag, you know. It's small, but it takes a lot. And then I get my AirPods, like I said, in there, because this bitch be quickly like easily too. Okay, look how your girl is looking. Yes, let's do this Burberry. You have to. Ooh, and behind the ears. Oh, chop. Finally, we're going to wear a different eyewear today. These were a gifted collab from an Instagram brand, the Ambassadors. So a fit one I'm going to wear. This is it. Never worn before. Just when I try them, really cute. And oh yes, you see, it's heating. This is eating. Yes. So this is me. Let's go on some errand. We're just doing like few things there and there, and then go for a walk. So, and I'll just tell you everything, where they came from, what I'm wearing. Okay, let's start. Hair done by Moa, and eyewear from Ambassadors on Instagram. Shein, H&M, Pretty Little Thing, Shein, and Steve Madden. I'll give you all a twirl around.